What's up, my LS crazed amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop. Once again, here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah. Well, you guys know about the Trailblazer project. You know, we're trying to get it all tight and buttoned up and everything like that so we can drive this car hopefully very soon. You know, I've been working with Aeromotive and, you know, to get the fueling system for this SUV, because we all know that it's going to have the LSA on there, and it just doesn't pump enough fuel, the regular stock fuel system, so we need a little bit more volume to feed the beast. So Aeromotive, they set me up with a harness. Now, if you like doing harnesses, that's all well and cool. If you want to do your own harness, make your own wires on it, it's all well and cool. But for the cost and the time savings to use this, it's a no-brainer to me. This particular harness is a 5-wire harness and you're done. It comes with the relay already set up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's 5 wires. This wire, these 2 wires right here, negative, positive to the fuel pump. Right here, right here. Then you have a ground wire, which I grounded on this bolt right here. When you do grounds, make sure you clean them nice and per day and bolt them down. Then you got the relay. Now all this is provided. This is one big kit, just like how it is. All right, you got your fuse, and then it goes down, and that relay wire, you gotta have a constant power. So you run it straight to the battery. Right there. All right. And this wire right here, this is the wire you attach to the key on. I'll explain. So off this connector, you got your purple and your black wire. That is going to be for your sending unit. And then you got your beige and another black wire, which is going to be for your power. Remember this, because we're going to get back to this. Okay, now I'm under the truck. Now, these 2 wires right here, I already identified them as being the sending unit, the 2 wires that go to the sending unit. And they go right here. I got to find the wire that provides power when the car is on the on position, in the on position. I got 2 wires here, so what I got to do is I got to try to find the wire which is powered when the car is in the on position, and that wire will be the one that I attach to the trigger wire off the harness. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. You hear that? That's the pump. Well, there you have it. That's how I went about hooking up the Aeromotive wire harness for the Phantom fuel pump, and you saw me test it, which it came on. Got my fingers crossed. But anyways, if you like these videos, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Tell a phone, tell a friend, and share. Definitely share and subscribe. So what you want to do is that little subscription button right there, that little button right there on the top somewhere on YouTube where it says subscribe, hit that. And then while you're at it, hit the bell, because that bell is going to notify you when I come up with another video. And there is no me without you, so I want to thank every one of you guys out there who watches the videos and who doesn't, but that's cool. But I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling. Time for me to head on off and continue to do what I do here, because I want to get this truck rolling so I can see you guys at a car show. So always, as always, please, be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.